Ready, set, go, action.
All right, guys, today I'm revealing my F40 that I've been talking about in our videos for so long. We'll get to that, okay? Behind me is my beautiful classic Ferrari F40 that I bought about 2 months ago. Unfortunately, it is now Edmund's classic F40. And I know this is no shock to you guys because I've been selling so many cars in the past week. I have to because I spent over $4 million on a one-of-one Koenigsegg.
It's not 4 million, 400,000 chicken sandwiches on a Koenigsegg.
Yes, so I've decided to sell a handful of cars that I recently purchased. And well, here's the F40, my wrap reveal, my wing, all of my stuff. The only thing that's not on here is the beautiful custom wheels that I've got from Wheels Boutique coming. Ben, you're way too slow. Why don't you show them the greatest part of this F40? I feel like this is incredible, because you now own the only F40 in the entire world.
Subsystem?
The sound system and subwoofer.
This car has bigger turbos. It's like 800 horsepower. LM rear end, the wing, the diffuser.
FYI, this car was bone stock when I bought it. So over the past 2 months, I've been doing all these things to basically just gift to my best friend, Edmund. And I'm actually happy. I love this car and I've driven it. He's gonna park it here in the showroom. So anytime I wanna drive it, I'm just gonna take it, not tell him. Basically, he's giving me $3 million for this car and I get to use it whenever I want.
300,000 chicken sandwiches.
Thank you. The Anoda Tech Celestial Unicorn.
It's beautiful.
Alex Choice Special, sickest F40 ever made.
Hands down.
But Edmund loves green and okay, cool. So go ahead.
I'm gonna take the wrap off, but in like 2 months.
Okay.
I'm gonna enjoy it the way it is. I'm gonna take it on the World Tour Rally. You guys should sign up to it if you haven't already.
8 spots left.
Put 1,000 miles on this car, and then I'm gonna take the wrap off, paint it green, redo the interior wheel, which is saddle beige. So all the green, yellow, silver, black ones you've seen, white, those have all been painted. So it's okay to paint an F40 in my opinion.
Oh, absolutely, it's okay. It's 100%. I mean, these cars were meant to be modified. These are race cars. These are not traditional road cars. Everything about this car right here is the epitome of what a modern tuner car would be from 1991. Now, this is a US spec car, so this is a very valuable car. To my knowledge, there's 213 US spec F40s, which gives you a lot of added benefits. You don't have to change the fuel tanks. You get some different bumpers, some better spoilers, a little bit different aesthetics in the rear, different frame supports. A lot of upgrades on the F40 came from the US cars because of the homologation issues. But in the long run, I think that Edmund will love this car because it's true to who he is. He's a race car driver. Now, I loved it, but at the same time, I'm a Koenigsegg guy. We're headed right now to the grand opening of our first ever Houston's Hot Chicken drive-thru. It's epic. When you guys see this place, I was there last night really late and I was almost a little emotional because now when we first opened our first restaurant, it was emotional. Now this is our first beautifully executed 100% custom drive-thru restaurant. And it's unbelievable that we're able to serve fresh, organic, antibiotic-free, high-quality food, all natural food out of a drive-thru. No one really can say that. Now there might be one-off mom and pops here and there, but we have sold over 100 franchises for Houston's Hot Chicken. One person who believed in both Edmund and I is our dear friend Randy, who passed away unfortunately last week.
Who was in the restaurant business before he did his merchant services. Back in New York, I believe. He had sandwich shops. And
Edmund and I spoke to Randy 10,000 times before we opened our first restaurant. At first, he thought we were joking. He wasn't very happy with it.
He just said the restaurant business is very difficult. It's hard to make money in.
But when he came to our restaurant in Green Valley for one of the SEMA shows when we opened, he was so impressed. And I talked to him so many times about it. And that's why today, I'm not gonna drive my brand new Koenigsegg. I'm gonna drive Randy's SVJ. And I wanna pay tribute to him. And I want everybody to understand what the true meaning of friendship is. Randy, I'm always gonna stay savage. I know Edmund's always staying savage. It's terrible to lose a friend, but it's kind of amazing to let their legacy live on. And today, I'm taking this car for him so he could be a part of our success.
How do you describe Randy? Randy was one of those guys who just opened his heart to everyone.
Just a perfect friend.
Didn't matter if you had money, or if you were broke, whatever it was, he was always there to give you advice and help you, level up in life. He was truly there for people, and that's, we got connected through cars. We became very close friends. That's how you and I became friends, and now we're business partners. And
now we're gonna stay connected through cars for life. So your SVJ, this is your baby. I will never sell this car. This will be in my family, the royalty family, the Houston's Hot Chicken family for life. This is my one memento that I have of him, and today I'm going to bring this as part of Houston's Hot Chicken.
Sorry, Edmund, I gotta do it. We're gonna clutch dump this at about 7,000 RPMs. Ready?
What do you think of the new GT3 though?
I love it. The clutch feels fantastic. It's the softest clutch I've ever felt in the car, but it feels so damn good.
So we're 5 minutes away from grand opening right now, walking in. I want to show you guys the execution before the madhouse starts. And all these people walk right in. This is the preparation. We've got 2,500 chicken sandwiches today. That's all we literally had. We couldn't make more boxes in time, but the setup is going in. We've got people are going to walk through this door right here, and they're gonna walk right out that door with a brand new chicken sandwich. So that's what a chicken sandwich giveaway is. I'm gonna patent that term, and every grand opening is gonna be just better and better and better. I can't believe the success. We have so many people here today. I think this is probably double the last grand opening, and for good reason. I think they're coming back for the food because they like it. We're about a few minutes away from cutting that ribbon and getting this place on.
So the turnout is absolutely amazing. This obviously shows how much we love Houston, Edmund, and the entire brand, our entire ecosystem. There are people packed all the way down the block. He doesn't even...
I'm ready to open.
He's ready to open. So it is 12:06. We plan to open at 12:15, but if he's ready to open, guess what? It's called Houston's Hot Chicken, not anybody else's hot chicken. Come down to Houston's Hot Chicken on Ann Road. We're ready to open right now.
Houston's Hot Chicken number 2, ready to open.
Yes, sir.
This is a machine. You can't get better than this. I mean, 2,500 sandwiches in 1 hour. Nuts.
All right, at the grand opening of Houston's Hot Chicken here at Ant Road, we got Las Vegas Raiders running back Josh Jacobs here. What'd you think? What'd you think?
Fire.
Fire?
Fire. Hot, but I like it, you know what I'm saying? But fire, everything's been good.
Hey, can't go wrong with it. All the service here, all the service, all the tenders, all the chicken, everything that you want here at Houston's Hot Chicken. You heard it here first. Las Vegas Raiders, Josh Jacobs. Everybody tune in, buy his jersey, everything you can do, like, subscribe, all this stuff.
Yeah,
We're gonna
right.
keep it moving.
All right, everybody. So this is Matt, the
Yes,
person
sir.
who doesn't get enough love.
No love, because I
this
fall
is,
over and I'm goofy all the time. But welcome to Houston's Hot Chicken, guys. 7155 Ann Road. We open, first drive-through, much bigger store, 2,700 square feet. About to do 4 million plus for y'all.
All right, I mean, you happy?
I'm very happy.
You happy? All right, thank you. Thank you, Houston, for designing this whole place and doing everything for you, giving you a beautiful F40, right? Just say thank you. Just say thank you and just walk away.
Thank you for the AstroTurf. That's all you chose. Everything else was mounted.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. No, it was.
It's a joint effort. We're 50-50, right? That's the way it's gonna stay. I can't believe that I'm having this type of success with my best friend. Honestly, I couldn't want a better partner. We fight like husband and wife, but we just make so much magic happen when it comes to these fucking restaurants. I mean, over 100 franchises already. We're 8.5 months old. Everybody has no idea what's coming for them. I mean, Houston's Hot Chicken's beyond $1 billion company.
We are the next In-N-Out, next Shake Shack, above them.
We're above it. We're the new ones. We're the new ones coming
Give
in.
us 2 years. We're gonna have over 500 stores open all over the world.
Done.
Wherever
That's
you guys
all.
want. Hey, drop a comment where you guys want us to open up.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure everybody's gonna say everywhere.
Everywhere. No,
So,
that's where we gotta go.
Everywhere.
We're gonna go.